Hi, everybody. Let's get started on lesson 28. Okay, so we've got our picture cards. We're going to go over these sounds really quick before we get to our sight words. Here we go. Apple. Acorn. Elephant. Equal. Inch. Icicle. Octopus. Overalls. Umbrella. And unicorn. Awesome. Okay, let's do our sight words, and we're going to use a sentence with each one. Ready? I was tired last night. Love. I love to eat lunch. 2. I held up 2 fingers. Where are they? What are we going to do today? Who are you? I have lunch today. Okay, so today we're going to talk about combination WH. And if you'll notice, there's a picture of a whale on this card. And it's got a WH with an arc under it. Okay, so it has a wh sound. All right, I need you to get a piece of paper and start copying down the words that you see on the screen. Draw bubbles around them, and we're going to start coding them. All right, so here we go. Our first bubble, in the pink bubble, we have 3 words. We have when, which, and whiz. And I've already coded a couple for you. First one, when. If you'll notice, you have a WH combination. So we're going to put an arc under the WH. Then the E has a short E sound. So we're going to put a breve over the E so that we have when. Next word, which. You have a wh sound for WH, so we put an arc under it. We have a short I sound for the I, so let's put a breve over it. Let's see if I can get my pencil going here. Put a breve over it. And then we have the CH sound. Okay, and do you know what that's called? Do you remember? Digraph CH. So we're going to underline it. And then whiz. We have WH sound, so we put an arc under it. And then we have a short I sound, so we're going to put a breve over it. Okay? Great. Let's move over to the blue bubble. And if you'll make sure you have these words written down somewhere, or just watch closely at what I am doing. All right, first word, whip. Then we have smart, bunch, world, hurt. So let's code whip right here, whip. We have WH, so we're going to put an arc. We have a short I sound, so we put a breve. Let's look at smart. Smart. You remember what we do with AR? Smart. We're going to put an arc under it. Very good for the AR sound. Let's look at bunch. Bunch. We're going to put a breve over the U, and CH is digraph, so let's underline it. Next word, world. World. OR. Remember a couple weeks ago we did ORs and we put an arc under it. World. And the same for hurt. UR. Put an arc under it. Okay. Now I need you to go and grab your worksheet number 28 from your packet, and let's work on some examples of those together. Okay? All right, guys. We're on worksheet 28. If you will turn it over to the side that matches my screen. Okay, we have a worm up there, and it starts with the word whiff. Okay, so let's code a couple of these, and then you're going to read and on your own and go do your worksheet. Here we go. With, with. So we would put an arc under the with. And it has a short I sound, so we're going to do this. Okay, I'm going to make my pen a little skinnier. Next one, whiz, whiz. We did this one earlier. So let's put an arc under WH and a breathe over the I. Next word, blur, blur, blur. So UR, we want to arc under it. Next word, we have litter, litter. We have 2 syllables, so clap it out. Litter, litter. So we're going to do a division line between the 2 T's. Remember, you need some consonant and vowels in each syllable so that it can be a section of the word or part of the word. We're going to label it V, C, C, V. And we have lit, I, lit. And we have so we're going to do an arc here. And we're going to accent that first syllable, litter, litter. Next, we have starch, starch. So we're going to put an arc under the AR, and we have digraph CH, so we underline it. Worm, worm. OR gets a digraph. All right, I'm going to quickly go over this story with you, and then you're going to do the backside by yourself. Here we go. Read along with me. Jan has 6 dogs. Zipper has black fur and the best bark. Zipper's bark is soft, not harsh. Max has a sharp, shrill bark. Max and Zipper bark a lot. Okay, number 7. It says, which dog has the best bark? Best bark. So we're going to underline that detail. So take your pencil and underline where you could find your answer. It says right here, best bark. So we're looking for best bark. There it is. So let's look at this sentence. It says, Zipper has black fur and the best bark. So there's your detail. Looks like Zipper has the best bark. Number 8. Ready? The sharp, shrill bark is who? Who has a sharp, shrill bark? So we're looking for this right here, these details. And there they are, matching them up in my story. And it says Max. So Max would have the sharp, shrill bark. Okay? Oh, and I can bubble it in. I didn't have to write it on the line, but it's okay to do it twice. You're learning how to spell too. All right? Number 9, Jan has 4 dogs. Is this correct? How many dogs does Jan have? Let's go up here and find Jan. It says Jan has 6 dogs, so this is not correct. All right, last one. Who are Zipper and Max? So my line is hidden. I'm going to write it right beside my question. You actually have a line to write on. So who are they? Are they friends down the road? Who are they? They are Jan's dogs. Look, my S is off. Jan's dogs. You can also say 2 of Jan's dogs. Dogs that belong to Jan. Okay, so there's several answers you could put there. All right, guys, I am finished. I need you to take the worksheet, go flip it over, do the back side, remember to code. Oh, and we need to match up our pictures. I forgot about that. We got a worm right here, and we have, oh, somebody's throwing something down. Looks like this little girl is littering. Oh, guys, lesson learned. Don't litter. Goodness. All right, flip your paper over, do the worksheet, put it in your packet for Friday. Bye.